If you're facing a sound issue while recording videos on Android, here's how to fix it. First, restart your phone. Then, try recording a video again. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix minor software glitches. Next, check if any Bluetooth devices are connected. If your phone is paired with wireless earbuds or speakers, the audio might be getting recorded through them instead of the phone's microphone. Disconnect all Bluetooth devices and try recording again. Also, make sure the microphone is not blocked by dirt or dust. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean the mic holes, usually found near the charging port or camera. Try recording audio separately using the voice recorder app. If the sound is not captured there either, the issue might be with the microphone, not the camera app. Check the microphone permission. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management, then tap on Camera from the list, then Permissions, and ensure the microphone permission is enabled. If it's turned off, turn it on and try recording again. If the problem persists, try clearing the camera app cache by going to Settings, then Apps, App Management, then tap on Camera from the list. Tap on Storage, then Clear Cache. Check if the issue happens in all camera apps or just the default one. If third-party apps record sound fine, updating your stock camera app from the Google Play Store might help. That's it. Now you know how to fix the no sound issue in video recording on your default camera app on Android. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech fixes.